The Excise Department, Thoubal District, destroyed a large quantity of illicit liquor in front of the office of the Deputy Superintendent of Excise, Thoubal today. Inspector of Thoubal Excise Department El Dino said the department destroyed illicit liquor worth rupees 5,12,388, where Sub-Inspector of Thoubal Police Station A. Nokul Chandra, Sub-Inspector of Hairo Police Station K. H. Samananda, and staff members of Thoubal Excise were also present. Decrying bad roadways condition, Women Welfare Association has threatened to block Laisram Leirak and Laimayum Leirak in Langthabal Kunja Awang Laikai roadways. Executive member of Women Welfare Association Laisram Iveyaima, while talking to media, cautioned the Manipur government they might shut the lanes in case repair work is not taken up within this month. She wrote that the concerned government department has been ignoring the issue for the past 12 years. Rotary Club of Imphal, in collaboration with authority of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, Imphal, today conducted a tree plantation drive under the theme Save Mother Earth in the surrounding areas of Jenims. Over 300 saplings were planted during the drive. President of Rotary Club Imphal, W. Robichandra, said that the objective of the event was an effort to help keep a check on climate change. A one-day tree plantation program under the supervision of Councillor of Thoubal Municipal Council Ward No. 9, Ibo Chauba, was conducted near Thoubal Ecopark today. The program was jointly organized as part of Green Manipur mission by NYC Nongangkhong, Jupiter Club, Bamon Leirak, SSDC Mayai Leirak, PYDA Pakhangkhong Leirak, and EYSCA Thoubal Achauba. Various saplings were planted during the program. Assam police apprehended one woman with huge quantity of heroin along with cash from Kalibari area in Dibrugarh today. According to reports, a team from Dibrugarh police raided a house and arrested one from Kalibari area in Dibrugarh. However, one Raju Ali who was with the women fled from the spot. Police seized 1.140 kg of heroin along with cash amounting to rupees 19,55,945. Meanwhile, a case has been registered and investigations are on. The two-day-long 8th session of Manipuri Legislative Assembly will begin tomorrow morning at 11. Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly M. Ramani issued a tentative program list of the first day of the Assembly session, which includes obituary reference, presentation of Business Advisory Committee report, motion for election of the 3 Financial Committee for the year 2019, and government resolution. On the second day, the program list concludes question hour, government business, and presentation of committee reports. With an objective to maintain cleanliness in Thangmaiban constituency, a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan cleanliness campaign has been launched in Thangmaiban constituency under the supervision of social worker and former Vice President of BJYM, Kongkham Bikram, in association with Iraipak Chaukhatnaba Hotnaba, Iraipak Machasing Lub, Nagapal Soram Leirak. The cleanliness drive will continue till October 2. With an aim to protect and preserve the catchment areas and to reduce the problem on environmental issue, a mass tree plantation drive was carried out today at Phayeng Water Reservoir catchment area. It was participated by people from different walks of life, including the persons with differently abled.